Are you a fan of NF? Then let's see if you can guess 50 of his songs from just 1 second of audio. But before we start, here are the top comments from our previous videos. If you also want a shout out, don't forget to comment on this video. Now let's start the challenge with easy one. Which song is this? It's The Search.
I admit it, I'm in classic mode. Don't need pity given to me, but I can't condone. I know this.
Try guessing this one. It's When I Grow Up.
I know this probably isn't really realistic, and honestly, I might not ever make it. Yeah.
How about this one? It's Let You Down.
Yeah. I guess I'm a disappointment. Doing everything I can, I don't wanna.
Can you name this song? It's Hope.
I don't want you to feel like a failure.
Guess this latest song. It's Fear.
Told the world that I was sick of running, then went back to running. What a joke. Living life in.
How about this? It's Happy.
Living life and soaking up the memories. Yup, congratulations.
Name this song. It's Motto.
Yup, congratulations, you can raise your voice. Hope you break both of your. Yeah, I'm kinda twisted.
Can you name this one? It's Leave Me Alone.
Yeah, I'm kinda twisted, so keep your distance, be a ghost. Yeah, see, I'm inventive. No matter the case.
Can you guess this one? It's Time.
No matter the case, I'ma do whatever it takes, even if both break, aches, bottles.
What about this emotional track? It's Story.
Aches, bottles empty by the lampshade. I'm out of Excedrin again.
Here's another one. It's Clouds.
Appalling, so much I'm not divulging. I'm outland.
Try this one. It's Trust.
I'm outlandish, take chances, gotta get it while I can with my damage, my sanity. And life's a journey.
What song is this? It's Paid My Dues.
And life's a journey, I should just stay on my path and learn to laugh. You think they hurt? It's a wrestle, I get sound.
Guess this beat. It's Lie.
It's a wrestle, I get sound, really make a difference. Flipping through them in your head, got you. Not again.
Recognize this one? It's Why.
Not again. I push away the people that I love the most. Why? How about you like you want?
Name this track. It's Real.
How about you like you was? A nurse came into my room, she told me I'm sick. Don't like me, that makes cool.
Can you get this one? It's No Name.
Don't like me, that makes two of us. Time change, yeah, I can't adjust. Yo, it's who you are. You know how I do it.
Guess this fan favorite. It's Grindin'.
You know how I do it, I ain't playing with you, I've been grinding. Anybody trying to stress?
Which song is this? It's My Stress.
Late nights, staring out the window doing. I like to rap, but
How about this one? It's Change.
I like to rap, but I ain't gonna do it forever. Forget the charts, I'ma focus in on holding my head. Where's that tell it?
Try this one. It's Washed Up.
Where's that tell it like it is? Don't let the label hush you. Where's that yeah? Don't Google my name.
Can you guess this track? It's Options.
Don't Google my name trying to find my crib. Write a pop song, then I write a song like this. Do a lot wrong. You haven't do what you do.
What about this classic? It's Wake Up.
You haven't do what you do, hoping that one day maybe you don't have to feel like you're empty. But as you get
Guess this song. It's Paralyzed.
feel like they came from someone comfortable here, and I like.
Can you name this one? It's Intro 3.
Comfortable here and I like it. I got my own room and everything. It don't get better than this. Kill me.
Try guessing this. It's Home.
Kill me slowly. We live in the
Which song is this? It's Remember This.
We live in defined by comment sections. Surround yourself with people that challenge.
Guess this deep one. It's Trauma.
Screaming, yo, but
Name this NF track. It's If You Want Love.
if you want love, you. Hey, now that we's going.
Try this one. It's I Miss the Days.
Hey, now that we's going to bed every night with this knot in my stomach that never unwinds. What happened? Wishing I pray.
Guess this emotional track. It's Only.
Wishing I pray a little more often and put more time into my fate. Traveling my. Even good.
Can you get this one? It's Nate.
Even good people are great at making bad decisions. Yeah, they ain't gonna MCs, I can't stop.
What about this? It's Returns.
MCs, I can't stop until things are clean. I'm in amateurs, what you think? So you just a little something.
Here's another challenge. It's Layers.
Just a little something to hold him over for his neck. Whoa. Even when I get must have made defensive.
Guess this powerful track. It's Lost.
Must have made defensive scarecrows that we scatter around our fields and treat like heroes when they scare. I guess my temper.
Name this one. It's Who I Was featuring, MGK.
I guess my temper gets the best of me, a part of me that I wish I knew how. Mediocre.
Try this one. It's Suffice.
Mediocre, that just won't suffice. Better now than ever. Could never forget.
Can you guess this track? It's Bullet.
Could never forget you gave me life when I was on empty and I was gone.
How about this one? It's Pandemonium.
Acknowledge me or not, that don't really make no difference to me. I need somebody.
Recognize this? It's Give Me a Reason.
I need somebody to poke and pry and really get into my head. I need somebody.
Guess this song. It's Running.
Yeah. Said goodbye and I did in front of you so you can
Name this beat. It's Mama.
in front of you so you can look at his face when you talk to him. Does he talk back? Want somebody to tell you.
How about this intense one? It's Intro 2.
Want somebody to tell you everything that you want to hear. I won't be any help. This flow's familiar. Keep it up front.
Can you get this one? It's Careful.
Keep it up front, now tiptoe. I be at the house trying to lay low. The need love, need.
Which song is this? It's Turn My Back.
Need love, need God, need faith, betray, cut ties, first time, first. No.
Try guessing this. It's Gone.
No. Did you ever find the one? Go south and fall.
What about this one? It's Mistake.
Go south and falls down, just know I'll stand on my own 2 feet. Don't last long in the game.
Here we go again. It's That's a Joke.
Last long in the game that I was made to play. What do y'all take me for? Rest assured, never say goodbye.
Guess this fan favorite? It's Sorry.
Never say goodbye to us. I mean this with
Final challenge. It's My Life.
I mean this with love when I say it. I wanna answer the phone when you call me. The problem.
That's all for now. So, how many songs did you guess correctly? Let us know your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Rap Round for more such fun challenges.